Welcome to Gadget Solution. Frontier Router Login. Open your computer or laptop. Connect your device to your Frontier router's network. You can also use an Ethernet cable to connect your device directly to the router's Ethernet port. Open a web browser of your choice. Enter the default IP address for your Frontier router 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Press Enter to proceed. Next, a login screen appears. Enter your router's default login details. The default username should be admin and the password can usually be found on a sticker attached to your router. If you have changed the login details, you will have to factory reset the router. This can be done by holding down the reset button found on the back of the router. After successfully logging in, you will gain access to your router's settings interface. Click on the Wireless tab. From here you can modify various network and security settings. To ensure the security of your Wi-Fi network, change the default router login details. Go to the Admin or Management section from the top menu in your router settings, where you can update the username and password. Once you have finished configuring your router settings, don't forget to log out of the interface. This helps protect your network from unauthorized access. Thanks for watching.